Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put your Spark Air filters on existing photos, videos, or even use them for live videos on Instagram. Let's go! So when you open your media library on Instagram and then use this icon to apply a filter, you find out that there are just a few filters that you can select. And probably you don't see a filter you like. You can even see only standard Instagram filters. Can we fix that? Of course! But in order to do that, you need to be an owner of the filter and be able to edit it on Spark Air Studio. So, unfortunately, you can't do anything with other people's filters, but you can edit yours. Let me show you really quick how to do it. Let's open a filter in Spark Air Studio. You see that my filter consists of several elements. This filter works like this. You tap on a screen to see the dust, tap again to hide. Simple. And if I want my filter to be used on existing photos, I need to enable the feature first. Let's open the Project tab, then Edit Properties. And here you can see Instagram Media Library. So let's check this box. You can see that Spark Air Studio says you're using a capability that is not supported by your target platforms. And let's fix that. So we go to Capabilities. Not all features can be used in filters that are enabled for the media library. And in my case, the feature is the Screen tab and Instructions. And if you need a list of limitations, here you can see it on the screen. It includes audio, touch gestures, target tracker, plane tracker, and video. And let's take a look. So I used custom instructions, and in order to use my filter in Media Library, I can't use these features. So uncheck this box and delete this, and then go to touch gestures. And again, we need to get rid of this. So open the patch editor. So I'm going to delete this part. This part works for Screen tab. And this part is Instructions. And in this case, I can decide. I still have two rectangles. One is with my filter and one is with dust. Here you go. So I need to decide. Either I want the filter to be with the dust or without. In this case, I prefer to just delete the dust. So I click delete. Let's also clean the materials. Go delete the texture. Yeah, and that's it. So now it's simple. It's simply a preset, and that's it. And now you can see this tiny icon over here. So you can switch to Media Library, and it opens the Media Library simulation, which shows you how your effect will appear on photos and videos that have already been captured on a device. So, for example, I can open this one or this one, and it shows me immediately how it looks like with my filter on. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to click on the like button and check the description below. Thank you, and see you soon.